The spacious living area with a beautiful space is your kitchen area with the easy access. Here's a kitchen space, and this is your piece, the masterpiece. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Kalyani Living Tree, which is located right here in Bangalore Aerospace Park, North Bangalore, and the project is developed by Kalyani Developers. Today we are here to check out their model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing in front of the marketing office. This is the marketing office of the project, and now the land parcel is whole over here in 25 acres. And now let me introduce you all with Housey. So what is exactly Housey? Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, ultimately which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of this beautiful miniature. So the project is developed in total 25 acres of land parcel, constructed with 10 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 24 floors, with 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like here's the cricket ground, badminton court, football ground, multi-purpose court, clubhouse 1. So basically there are 2 clubhouse with all the indoor amenities. And there is maximum of open space in the project plus many more amenities. Now about the location part, and the project is located near to New Airport Road in KIADB Aerospace Park in Bangalore, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will connect you towards New Airport Road in just 200 meters. So you can connect to Bangalore Road in 700 meters from the project. Vikrant Hospital is 800 meters away. St. Fran's School is 1 kilometer from the location of the project. So now this is your 3 BHK east facing model flat of 1639 square feet super built up area. So once you enter through your main entrance of your house, here's your spacious living and the dining area. So first let me show you the living area over here, the spacious living area with a beautiful space which has a connecting balcony as well. So let's move further towards your balcony with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will give you perfect city view and the view of the nature as well. Now once you move in, let me show you here's the TV unit space. Exactly in front you can add up your couches, your sofa set, your own decor. Now about your dining area. So this is your spacious dining area where you can set your huge dining area. Now exactly in front of it is your kitchen area with the easy access. Here's a kitchen space where you can add up your U-shaped platform, and here's a beautiful interior work done for your reference with the cabinets. Here's again a platform again. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. This kitchenette area comes with your utility area as well with anti-skid flooring, provision for machine and a sink area. And now about your bedroom space. So let's move further. So your 2 bedrooms are on the other side of the house and the master bedroom right over here. So first your bedroom number 1, which is right over this side. So once you move inside your bedroom number 1, you can have a look at this space with a huge bed space, window for ventilation and lighting purpose. They have even added up over here the work table, dressing area, and your wardrobe space. Now let's move further towards your bedroom number 2. But before that, once you step out of this room, here's your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting. And your bedroom number 2 exactly in front of your bedroom number 1. So once you enter here, and this is your space. There's ample of space to move around with a huge bed space. And you can check out the lighting as well over here. So here's your Juliet balcony with anti-skid flooring and iron railing. And here's your wardrobe space. Now, we'll be moving further, and over here they have even provided a foyer area with attached washroom with this bedroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And your master bedroom is exactly opposite to this bedroom. But before that, let me introduce you all with all the key feature of Housey. So Housey provides you with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features only under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey. And now, here's your master bedroom, which again comes with a foyer area for your privacy. And once you enter inside, and this is your piece, the masterpiece. So you can have a look with the bed space. Here's a balcony, that is a standing balcony with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and you can check out the space over here. This is a work table that they have added up over here, TV unit space, the wardrobe over here, and a cross window for cross ventilation as well. Now about the washroom, so it has attached washroom as well with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here at Kalyani Developers Project. Have you checked another project with Kalyani Developers? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow Subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.